In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add cinematic bars in CapCut. If you've ever wondered how creators get that widescreen movie look with black bars at the top and bottom, that's exactly what we're doing here. It's quick, clean, and totally reversible, so you can fine-tune the style to match your footage. Start by opening CapCut, either on the web or in the app, and create a new project. When you're asked to choose a canvas, pick 16.9. That's the standard widescreen format, and it makes adding letterbox bars straightforward, since most platforms play nicely with it. Next, bring your video into the project and place it on the timeline so you can see it in the preview. Select your clip, then head to the Mask tools. From the available mask types, choose Mirror. This mask is perfect for creating cinematic bars because it lets you reveal the center of your frame while hiding the top and bottom evenly. If the mask appears vertical by default, rotate it so it runs horizontally across your video. You'll see adjustable handles. Drag them inward to narrow the visible area in the middle. As you do, the areas above and below become black, creating that classic letterbox effect. Dial in the bar thickness to taste. A subtle look keeps more of your frame visible, while thicker bars instantly feel more dramatic. Keep an eye on important details like eyes and headroom, so nothing critical gets cut off by the bars. If your subject is sitting too high or low, make a small position or scale adjustment so the action sits comfortably within the visible strip. For a razor-sharp, modern look, set feathering to 0. If you want a softer, filmic transition between the image and the bars, add just a touch of feather, but keep it minimal so the effect stays clean. If the mask seems to be hiding the center instead of the edges, use the invert option so the middle shows and the bars frame it from the top and bottom. Play through a few shots in your timeline to confirm the bars stay consistent across different scenes. If your footage includes handheld or fast movement, a slightly thinner bar can help preserve visual information while still keeping that cinematic vibe. Take a final look full screen to check composition, contrast, and readability of any text or subtitles against the bars. Once you're happy with the framing, you've successfully added cinematic bars in CapCut and given your video that polished, widescreen look.